Ever wondered how to convert a timestamp to a date in Jasper Reports? The ability to do so can significantly enhance your reporting capabilities, allowing you to present data in a more insightful and user-friendly manner. The key to achieving this lies in using Java expressions within your Jasper Report design tool. It may sound complicated, but fear not. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through an easy step-by-step guide to do just that. First, we need to identify the field in our report dataset that contains the timestamp we want to convert. This field is the key player, holding the specific timestamp you're eager to transform into a more readable date format. It's like finding the puzzle piece that holds the secret to unlocking the entire picture. So, delve into your dataset, explore the fields, and pinpoint that special timestamp field. Once we've identified our timestamp field, it's time to create a new field to hold the converted date value. Now let's create a new field in our report to hold the converted date value. First off, we need a new field in our report to house the converted date value. This field will be populated using a Java expression. Think of it as a new room in your house designed specifically to accommodate your newly transformed timestamp. Now let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the Java expression. We're going to use Java's simple date format class to format the timestamp into a date format. The simple date format class allows us to define a pattern for our date. For instance, YI stands for the year, for the month, DD for the day, and so on. Here's an example for you. Let's say we want to convert our timestamp into a date format of year, month, and day. We would write our Java expression in Jasper, Soft Studio, or iReport like so. New simple date format, YIMDDD format, $F, your underscore timestamp underscore field. In this expression, YIMDD is the date format we desire. The $F, your underscore timestamp underscore field, is replaced with the actual field name containing your timestamp. It's like saying, hey, simple date format, grab the timestamp from this field and format it into a year, month, and day. This Java expression creates a new simple date format object with our specified date format pattern. The .format $F, your underscore timestamp underscore field. Part then formats the timestamp value from our dataset field into a string representation of the date using our specified date format pattern. It's like a personal stylist taking the raw material of our timestamp and transforming it into a sleek, formatted date. Remember, you can change the date format pattern to match your desired output format. Maybe you want day, month, year instead of year, month, day. No problem. Just adjust the YIMD pattern to fit your needs. With our Java expression written and our new field ready, we can add this field to our report. And voila! You've just created a new field and written a Java expression to convert a timestamp to a date. It's like you're a magician turning time into date with a flick of the Java wand. The next step is to add our newly created field to the report. Now let's bring our newly minted field into the limelight. Navigate to the Data pane. Here you should see the field we just created. All you have to do is drag and drop this field onto your report design. Place it in the precise location where you want the date to appear. Now, hold your breath as we preview the report. Click on the Preview tab and voila! You should see the timestamp now beautifully transformed into a date in the format you specified. But wait, what if the date does not appear as you expected? No need to panic. It's likely a minor formatting issue. Remember the date format pattern we used earlier, YIMDD, where Y represents the year, the month, and DD the day. It's possible you may need to tweak this a little. Perhaps you want the month to appear before the day, or maybe you want a 4-digit year instead of 2. Go back to your Java expression and adjust the date format pattern as necessary. Once you've made your changes, preview your report again. Repeat this process until you're satisfied with the appearance of your date. And there we have it. Our timestamp is now being properly converted to a date in the specified format. Now, isn't that a sight for sore eyes? So we've successfully converted a timestamp to a date in Jasper Reports. We started by identifying the timestamp field, then created a new field for the converted date. We wrote a Java expression using Java's simple date format class to format the timestamp to our desired date format. Remember, the key to this process is identifying the correct timestamp field and writing the precise Java expression. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Until next time.